Alright, so we ain't even finna go to the bar or nothing. We not gonna do any of that. We just gonna get straight into the video because Samsung did the randomest drop ever with the Tab S10 Plus and the Tab S10 Ultra. So we finally got the Tab S10 Plus. It just came out and I'm trying to see what's good with this thing because I got my Galaxy Tab S9 and I'm trying to see what the difference is. And I heard it got new processors, so we gotta see what's good with it. But anyway, y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright, so Tab S10. From what I've been seeing, there really ain't that much of a difference from the Tab S9 Plus over there, and I heard like even the case and everything work exactly the same, so we gotta see about that too. Cause I heard with the book cover keyboard, you can use this from the Tab S9 Plus and the Tab S10 Plus. So that's the first time I think I even seen Samsung do that before. Besides like the Tab S5e and the Tab S6, I think it was, like it's never really been a thing for Samsung to do that cause they need their bread. And oh yeah, it just so happened to be very convenient that AT&T Fiber want to be down while I'm over here recording my video so bit. But yeah, we got Tab S10. I got it in this gray color, and as you can see, I did do the order pickup from Best Buy, like I said, and I ordered it through Samsung, so bit. You can go ahead and order from Samsung.com and pick it up at Best Buy, at least in the United States. I don't know how it works in other countries, but that's how it works out here. But let's see what's good with this thing. So we got Tab S10 Plus on the left side. On the right side, we got the Samsung logo, and on the front, we just got the same exact thing as the Tab S9 Plus. On the back, let's see what's good with this. So let's go ahead and zoom in, see what we got. It just looked like we got what the package got and whatever else, so really ain't even that necessary. And let's just go ahead and peel the easy pull tabs over here. So Samsung finally started doing this shit, man. They took a minute to finally start doing it, but here he is. Bet. I'm just happy for it. Oh, never mind. Shit. Okay, bet. All right, so we good. All right, so let's go ahead and get this up out the box. And here we go. I do like this size. I don't like the Tab S10 Ultra. It's just way too big for me. That's my opinion. Pause. No diddy. No diddy. All right, bet. So, all right, let's go ahead and just get this thing open. So you just peel this off. Take that out right there. And here you go. You have the Tab S9 Plus Plus. So just looking around this thing, I mean, yeah, it definitely looks clean. I mean, it looks exactly the same as my Tab S9 Plus, so I really shouldn't be saying that because, I mean, I'm used to this already. But if you check this out, we have a little bit different of a design over here. So you can see that like the colors and whatever else is a little bit more pronounced like the S24 Ultra. Like, let me go and show you this. I'm going to take off my book cover keyboard case, and I just want y'all to check out the differences between these two. So if you go ahead and check out, this is the Tab S10 Plus on the left, and we got the Tab S9 Plus on the right. You can see a little bit different here with the design, so it ain't nothing too crazy though. We still got the same two cameras. We still got the S Pen where it goes. Yes, it still come with the S Pen. We still got the flash. We still got the Samsung logo in the same spot. We even got these stickers here in the same spot. So I mean, like, if you look at this, the Tab S10 Plus is at the bottom. They literally exactly the same. So I did flip these around, so this isn't different, but like it looks exactly the same. So I don't think you're gonna have a problem with the case for real. Also, you can see right here, we do got our S Pen. So all you got to do is take that, and you can put it either way, but I'll just go ahead and put it up like that. I'm pretty sure that's how it charges. And let's go and power this thing on. So while that's powering on, we can look in the rest of the box, but okay, there we go. Same vibration motor. So Samsung Galaxy. Let's throw that to the side. And some folks was getting pissed off that like we was getting quarterly updates. So I don't get that either. You paying like at least $1,000 for these Tab S10s, and I feel like you should definitely get monthly updates. It don't make no fucking sense to me. But at the same time though, you can't act like that's new because Samsung been doing that for like probably since they had tablets. I don't even know if this been that long, but for as long as I can remember, even with my Tab S4, I'm pretty sure that was like quarterly updates too. So I don't get it, man. But like that's how it is, and I guess that's how they stand too. At the same time though, we still gonna get 7 years of updates, so I guess that's cool. But at the same time though, that is kind of whack. So we do have a SD card remover, so cool. And if you have the cellular version, that's a SIM and SD card tool remover. So all right, so we got welcome here. Let's go ahead and hit on start, and we should have the latest One UI. So I did update on my Tab S9 Plus 2. Let's go ahead and hit on continue. And you know what? I'm gonna just go and fast forward through this, and I'll get back to y'all. You know what? Since they want to start bugging, I can't even do this shit right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just back out of this, and we just gonna have to do this shit later, man. And all right, bet. So we are set up, and here's what it looks like. So it looks pretty decent. Like I said, I still got to play with this a little bit more, but one big thing about this is that it uses MediaTek now. I don't know why they did that, but yeah, phone them. They switched to the MediaTek 9300 Plus, and like that's not as fast as the latest Snapdragon, I'm pretty sure I heard, but like it's like faster than the Tab S9 Plus. Like, let's go and put these side by side real quick. So I got the Tab S9 Plus on the left, and I got the Tab S10 on the right. So as you can see, if I go ahead and just move that right there, they look exactly the same. I got a screen protector on, so don't even mind that. But yeah, they look exactly the same, bro. Literally, the screen size is exactly the same, so I'm pretty sure you could use the same screen protectors in every single accessory that you got for your Tab S10 Plus from your Tab S9 Plus. Now, you also got over here your Galaxy AI features, so if I go ahead and just click on that, let's get out there. So I got a few Galaxy AI features, so if I go ahead and do this, and let's see here. Look like I got pretty much everything, so cool. But you can see if I go to the air command that we got pretty much all the features that I see in my Tab S9 Plus already. So sketch to image, I got that. Smart select, I got all these right here. And if I go to settings, let's go to Galaxy AI and let's see everything that we got up on here. So chat assist, yup. Interpreter, yup. Note assist, yup. Transcript assist, yup. Browsing assist, yup. We got photo assist, we got drawing assist. The only things I don't see is photo, ambient, wallpaper, and health assist. So if you don't care about those, then I feel like you'll be perfectly fine with your Tab S9 Plus, assuming you got that, or just get that Tab S9 Plus because I'm pretty sure it's on sale right now. The only differences you're really going to get up on here is the anti-reflective coating, which I can definitely tell that anti-reflective coating is definitely working, but I put on the screen protector anyway. But you get the anti-reflective coating, you get the new MediaTek processor, you get like a little bit, like I think it's like 10 grams lighter than the Tab S9 Plus and a little bit thinner. But I mean, besides that, like it's pretty much exactly the same, man. Like I can't really see a reason why you would get the Tab S10 Plus. Now, this is just my first impressions. I just went ahead and unboxed this thing, so I don't really know how it's gonna be yet. I'm gonna have to go ahead and test this out and let y'all know how I feel about it for real, but for right now, it seems exactly the same, bro. Like, do you really need that anti-reflective coating? I know it's nice, but at the same time, though, do you really need it? Now, if we talking about maybe the same price or something like that, or like maybe it's not that big of a difference in price, then yeah, probably just get the Tab S10 Plus. I don't really see why you should get the Tab S9 Plus in that case, but I mean, I feel like if you're getting this for a lot cheaper, then get that. Because what's really different on here? Software and a little bit of hardware. And like, if you're talking about hardware and if you're doing like, I don't know, maybe you're editing videos or something like that, I don't know if it's gonna be that drastic of a difference anyway between this and the Snapdragon. So honestly, I think you're gonna be straight with this. Now let's go over here to the software and let's go to About Tablet. Let's go to software information. All right, so as you can see, we got One UI 6.1.1, Android 14, and let's go over here to the Tab S9 Plus. We also got One UI 6.1.1 and Android 14. And as for the security patch, we got September versus August. But that's about it. Now let's try out this real quick. So let me move my Tab S9 Plus. Let's move this box. Let's go ahead and try this with my Tab S9 Plus book cover keyboard. So where's this? All right, here we go. All right, so Tab S10 Plus. Let's go and throw it in my Tab S9 case right here. And it looks like it fits. Oh, wait, hold up. It looked like it fits exactly the same as my Tab S9 Plus. So the Tab S10 fits perfectly fine with this case. It looked perfectly fine to me. And if I go ahead and grab this, let's go and put this case out. Let's go and throw that right there. As you can see, now we could just use the case perfectly fine, so no issues with that. Cool. So as you can see right here, again, this is going to be my Tab S9 Plus, and it's the Tab S10 Plus. The keyboard case, the book cover keyboard, works perfectly fine with the Tab S9 one. But y'all, with that being said, I'm going to go and get up out of here, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Let me know what y'all think about the Tab S10 Plus in the comments below. For me, it looked exactly the same, but I'm going to have to go and try this out some more. I do hope y'all enjoyed this, though, but thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and get this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, or go follow me on my social media at Eccentric on Instagram and X and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. And I got a lot of planning to do with this thing. So I feel like at the end of my review, I'm just going to be like, just get the Tab S9 Plus if it's cheap enough, bro, like at this point. Like this wasn't really a necessary product to put out right now. I think Samsung just need that bread real quick to go ahead and run them pockets. Because you know how them companies be. Now, Samsung don't do annual tablet upgrades no more like they used to, but at the same time, no, this ain't really changed that much. So I don't know. Again, let me know how y'all feeling about this. Y'all be smooth. I'm going to get up with you later. Peace out.